Ever heard of giving an animal a tattoo using ice? That's what freeze branding is. And it's wild. Instead of using heat and burning the skin, freeze branding uses extreme cold to kill the pigment in the hair follicles. The result? When the hair grows back, it's white, like a natural tattoo made from ice. Here's how it works. A metal brand is chilled in liquid nitrogen or dry ice and alcohol. Then it's pressed onto the animal's skin for just a few seconds. It sounds intense, but it's actually less painful than hot branding. And unlike regular tattoos, there's no ink. The cold damages the color-making cells, so the hair grows back white in the shape of the brand. It's mostly used on horses and cattle, especially the dark-haired ones, so farmers can easily tell them apart. The cool part? It's permanent, visible, and causes less harm than traditional methods. But it still needs to be done carefully. Too cold, and it can scar. Not cold enough, and it won't work. So yeah, it's basically a frosty tattoo that grows right out of the hair. Cool, huh? Literally.